Hello, and welcome to my new podcast. My name is Tom, and I'm happy to see you here. This podcast helps you learn English easily. Today, we're talking about a very important topic. Our topic is the environment and nature. The Earth is our beautiful home. We share this planet with animals and plants. It is important to protect our world every day. Many people want to help the planet. Sometimes it feels difficult, but it is actually simple. Small actions can change many things. I want to share some easy ideas with you. You can practice your English and learn about nature. Please listen carefully to my words. I speak slowly so you can understand everything. Nature gives us clean air and water. Forests look beautiful and keep the air fresh. Big oceans are home to many fish. Cities have beautiful parks for people. We need to keep these places clean. Pollution is a big problem for everyone. Dirty air makes people and animals sick. Plastic in the ocean hurts the fish. We can change our daily habits. It is time to think about our future. This episode gives you great examples. Are you ready to start this journey? Let us look at our daily life first. Think about your last trip to the supermarket. People buy many things in plastic bottles and bags. Plastic stays in nature for a very long time. It does not disappear like food or paper. I always bring my own bag for shopping. My shopping bag is made of green cloth. It is strong and I use it every week. This choice stops plastic waste at the store. You can also buy a reusable water bottle. Metal bottles are great for water and juice. They keep your drinks cold or warm. Do not buy single-use plastic cups. Many coffee shops love when you bring your cup. Some places even give you a discount for that. It saves your money and protects nature. Look at the packaging when you buy fruit. Choose bananas and apples without plastic wrap. Nature already gave them an organic skin. Tell your family about these simple steps. Children can learn these habits very quickly. Stores can change if customers ask for alternatives. We have the power to choose better products. My friends also stop using plastic straws. Paper straws are much better for the environment. Bamboo toothbrushes are another great option. They look nice in the bathroom. Small changes in the kitchen make a big difference. Try to notice plastic around your house today. You will see how much we use it. Let us discuss saving energy in a house. Houses use a lot of electricity every day. We need power for lights, televisions, and computers. Making electricity often creates dirty air. Saving energy helps the planet and your budget. Turn off the lights when you leave a room. Empty rooms do not need bright lamps. Use natural sunlight during the day. Open your windows to get bright light. Computers use power even in sleep mode. It is best to turn them off completely at night. Unplug your phone charger when it is full. Small chargers consume energy when they sit in the wall. Change your old lamps to LED light bulbs. LED bulbs use very little electricity. They also work for many years without breaking. Wear a warm sweater in the winter. Do not make the house heating too hot. A cozy blanket keeps you warm at night. In summer, use a fan instead of air conditioning. Air conditioners need massive amounts of power. Cook with a lid on your pan. Water boils faster and saves gas or electricity. Only fill the kettle with the water you need. 1 cup of tea needs 1 cup of water. These tips are easy for everyone to follow. Your electricity bill will become smaller. Nature will thank you for this choice. Education about energy starts at home. Teaching your roommates helps a lot. Clean water is a treasure on earth. Many countries do not have enough water. We must use it carefully every day. Close the tap when you brush your teeth. Running water goes directly into the drain. You can save liters of water this way. Take a short shower instead of a bath. Baths use double the amount of water. A 5-minute shower is enough to get clean. Fix any leaks in your bathroom quickly. A dripping tap wastes water all day long. Wash your clothes only when the machine is full. Half-empty washing machines waste resources. Use cold water for washing clothes. It cleans well and saves heating energy. Collect rainwater for your garden plants. Flowers love natural rainwater very much. Do not use a hose to clean your car. A bucket of water works just as well. Clean rivers mean healthy wild animals. Fish need pure lakes to live and swim. We depend on water for our agriculture. Food cannot grow without clean rain. Imagine a world without fresh drinking water. That is why we must protect every drop. Check your pipes for hidden problems this week. Water saving is a habit for smart people. I try my best to remember this rule. Let's learn about transport and clean air. Transport changes how our cities breathe. Cars are very popular in every country. They carry us to work and school quickly. However, conventional cars produce dangerous smoke. This smoke creates air pollution in cities. Walking is the healthiest way to travel short distances. It is good for your heart and muscles. I love walking in my neighborhood in the morning. Riding a bicycle is another fantastic choice. Bikes do not need fuel or expensive parking spaces. Many cities build special lanes for cyclists. You could travel fast without staying in traffic jams. Public transport is better than private cars. Buses and trains carry hundreds of people together. One bus replaces 20 individual cars on the road. Metro systems use electricity and run very fast. Consider carpooling with your colleagues at work. Share one car with 3 other people. It makes the journey cheaper and more fun. Electric cars are becoming very popular. They do not have exhaust pipes and run quietly. Trains are excellent for long weekend trips. You can read a book or relax while traveling. Flying in airplanes creates massive pollution. Try to choose trains for local holidays instead. Enjoy the view from the train window. Clean transport makes our air safe to breathe. Your lungs will be happy with less smoke. Think about your travel plans for tomorrow. Can you leave your car at home? We reviewed many important ideas today. Protecting the environment is a long journey. No one is perfect, but effort matters. Start with one simple change this week. Maybe you could buy a cloth bag today. Maybe you will turn off your computer tonight. Every small step helps our big planet. Share these ideas with your friends and neighbors. Together, we can create a clean future. Learning English helps you talk about global problems. You can read news about nature from other countries. People all over the world speak about ecology. It connects us across different borders. I hope you learned some new vocabulary today. Words like pollution, environment, and energy are important. Practice them by writing a short comment. Tell me about your green habits. What do you do to help the earth? I love reading your interesting stories. This podcast is a safe space for learners. Mistakes are normal when you study a language. Consistency is the secret to good English. Listen to this episode again tomorrow. It will help you remember the phrases better. Our time together is finishing for today. Have a wonderful day in nature. Take care of yourself and the planet. Thank you for your time and attention. Goodbye until the next episode. See you soon on my channel.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.